Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best wideband gauges in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best wideband gauges that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the GlowShift Elite AFR Gauge Kit. GlowShift's Black Elite 10 Color Series Wideband Air Fuel Ratio Gauge is an ultra-high-performance gauge that allows you to monitor and tune your vehicle's air-to-fuel ratio. This standalone wideband air-to-fuel ratio gauge reads and displays your vehicle's air-fuel ratio with unparalleled accuracy from 10.0 to 20.0 AFR with the included 4.9 LSU wideband oxygen sensor. Benefits include maximized power and engine performance, reduced emissions, and higher fuel economy since you'll be able to carefully map out your vehicle's air-to-fuel ratios throughout the range of RPM and manifold pressure. Experience features that come standard with the Black Elite 10 series including an easy-to-read ultra-bright LED analog display with selectable 10-color through-dial LED lighting, a low-profile magnified tinted lens with illuminated red needle, a peak recall function, programmable high and low warning functions and much more. GlowShift is your source for the latest and most cutting-edge aftermarket automotive products, specially designed for cars and trucks. Whether you're looking for gauges, pods or accessories, we have a wide variety of items to choose from. Moving on at number 4. We have the HotSystem Air Fuel Ratio Gauge. One of the cheapest wideband gauges that's actually worth buying is the HotSystem gauge. It connects straight into your existing oxygen sensor and comes as a complete kit that includes all the electric wiring and hardware. For those that are on a tight budget and require a fairly accurate wideband gauge, the HotSystem brand have the answer. It isn't going to be as accurate as some of the premium alternatives, but it's a fraction of the price and won't disappoint. At number 3, we have the Innovate Motorsports 3918. If you are on a tight budget, you can still buy the 3918 MTX-L Plus from Innovate Motorsports because it is very affordable. Despite this, the unit comes with the best-performing Bosch LSU 4.9 oxygen sensor and it has an enhanced heater control for superior sensor performance in high-performance applications, such as in forced induction engines. While doing this, a fast analog output speed keeps the car's ECU up to date with all air-fuel ratio changes in real time for effective monitoring. Other features include a large digital display in AFR or Lambda, a programmable digital needle and a 52 mm diameter gauge housing plus its interchangeable black and white faceplates and bezels. However, calibration is required before use, but an instruction manual is included to help you with this. At number 2, we have the AEM 300300 Innovative Wideband Gauge. The 30300X series from AEM is still very new in their lineup and features the latest, patented X-digital technology, which gives these controllers the capability to display values that other wideband gauges cannot. For instance, this one has a much wider range of 820 AFR and can display these values to the hundredths of percent. Additionally, this technology results in a much faster response time, which improves the wideband feedback control, thereby enabling you to carry out a safer, powerful and more accurate tuning. On the outside, the gauge features a visually striking faceplate as well as a 7-segment center display that is 87% larger than other AEM units, and this makes it much easier to read. Other features include compatibility to car electrical systems that run up to 16 volts, auto-dimming, and a wiring harness plus a weld-in stainless steel bung in the kit. However, a boost pressure gauge is not included. And finally at number 1, we have the AEM 30-4110 UEGO air-fuel ratio gauge. This wideband gauge is one of the best in the market because it features the latest and most accurate Bosch LSU 4.9 sensor, which is by far the best wideband O2 sensor currently. Additionally, the unit requires no free air sensor calibration as it is laboratory calibrated beforehand. It also gives a wider air-fuel ratio sensing range of 1020 AFR on its digital display. The gauge is housed inside a 2-1/16-inch 52 mm casing, and this universal size ensures that it fits in most gauge pods, after which it can be mounted anywhere inside your car. Some slight customization is also built into the gauge's design, with interchangeable black and white faceplates as well as interchangeable black and silver bezels, all of which are included in the pack. Other features include a digital display with a 0.1 resolution, an outer bar graph with an LED needle, and a 0.5-volt analog output. However, the included wiring harness is a bit short. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.